Hi guys, welcome to another video. So for today's video, I'm going to discuss about my concept of internet. So let's get started. Internet. The internet is a global wide area network that connects computer systems across the world. It includes several high bandwidth data that comprise the internet backbone. These lines are connected to major internet hubs that distribute data to other locations, such as web servers and ISPs. In order to connect to the internet, you must have access to an internet service provider or the ISP, which acts the middleman between you and the internet. Most ISPs offer broadband internet access via cable, DSL, or fiber connection. When you connect to the internet using a public Wi-Fi signal, the Wi-Fi router is still connected to an ISP that provides internet access. Even cellular data towers must connect to an internet service provider to provide to provide connected devices with access to the internet. The internet provides different online services. This includes web, email, social media, online gaming, and software updates. Through web, a collection of billions of web pages that you can view with a web browser. Email, the most common method of sending and receiving messages online. Social media, websites, and apps that allow people to share comments, photos, and videos. Online gaming, games that allow people to play with and against each other over the internet. Software updates, operating system, and application updates can typically downloaded from the internet. In the early days of the internet, most people connected to the internet using a home computer and a dial-up modem. DSL and cable modems eventually provided users with always-on connections. Now, mobile devices such as tablets and smartphones make it possible for people to be connected to the internet at all times. The Internet of Things has turned common appliances and home systems into smart devices that can be monitored and controlled over the internet. As the internet continues to grow and evolve, you can expect it to become an even more integral part of daily life. So, let's go to my own concept of the internet. So, in this illustration, you can see a representation of persons that are being connected with each other. Through internet, we can communicate with other people. If you use internet, then you probably use internet-based communications to contact family. The advantage of internet-based communications are many. Since you're already paying for an internet account, you can save money on phone calls by sending someone an instant message or by using VoIP instead of standard local telephone services. Of course, no technology is without a downside, and internet-based communications has plenty, such as viruses, privacy issues, and spam. Then the next illustration is a device being connected to internet. A router. A router is a hardware. Once you've set up your computer, you may want to purchase home internet access so you can send and receive email, browse the web, stream videos, and more. You may even want to set up a home wireless network, commonly known as Wi-Fi, so you can connect multiple devices to the internet at the same time. The type of internet service you choose will largely depend on which internet service providers serve your area along with the types of service they offer. Here are some common types of internet services: dial-up, DSL, cable, satellite, 3G, and 4G. So you will also want to consider the cost of the service, including installation charges and monthly fees. Generally speaking, the faster the connection, the more expensive it will be per month. So a router is a hardware device that allows you to connect several computers and other devices to a single internet connection, which is known as a home network. Many routers are wireless, which allows you to create a home wireless network, commonly known as a Wi-Fi network. You don't necessarily need to buy a router to connect to the internet. It's possible to connect your computer directly to your modem using an Ethernet cable. Also, many modems include a built-in router, so you have the option of creating a Wi-Fi network without buying extra hardware. So the next illustration to my concept of internet is: internet can also be used in businesses in making money. Broadband and high-band internet are somewhat murky terms that not everyone defines equally. Internet can also be used in making money because of the connections to other people. Then this illustration shows the URL or link by which the user can search uniform uniform resource locator. Colloquially termed a web address is a reference to a web resource that specifies its location on a computer network and a mechanism for retrieving it. So that is the end of my video. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.